Hey guys, today I'm going to review BLW Signals tradingroom.com, which is signals providers room. So I'm going to see actually is it really cool. So many thousands of traders joined this, and this guy here name is Christian, and he has this much subscribers in YouTube channel. If you want to check this channel, yeah, go ahead and check. So what they are saying is, with over 180 signals per week, the BLW trading room has become powerful army. Okay, so you'll get over 150 signals per week, both binary and forex. That's really cool. And live chat support and all this. If you want to really check it out, please go. The link is in the description. Go and check it out. And fast and accurate signals, 20 years of experience. So turn 10 into 10,000. Okay, everything is fine, perfect. The website is cool. So my experience with this trading signals room is really cool because very accurate signals, and he's a more experienced guy and very good helping nature guy in trading strategies and even trading lessons. Like, he will give very perfect lessons. So I will call him as like a guru. So he's my teacher as well. I learned so much from him. So when I lost so much of money, actually I came to this channel. I saw how to make money, and I'm making money just because of Christian is one of my teacher who taught in his channel, and I watched his videos. I went to check out his website, Trading Academy. So everything is fine. It's really cool, and you just need to come here and click your name and email, just submit. So once you submit, what will happen, it will take you another page. So this one, and you can actually go here and check it out. And there are plans as well. You have a 2 months plan, 6 months plan, and annually plan. So this one is $60, $150 to $40. So is it really worth it? I would say it will worth it, because you will learn from mistakes, first one, and you will learn. If you invest your money in this, you will learn. Definitely you will keep your interest on this. So I would definitely say, please go and check this out. It's really very interesting website, very interesting group of people, very good accurate signals, very good monitors, and very good guidance they will give in this signals room. Okay, you can actually go and check this out. He's really very cool guy. So you just need to click get my access, and it will take to the page called payment page. You can enter your details, confirm your mail, and go next step and pay $60 per 2 months, or you can purchase other plans. If you want to try, I would recommend you to go for a 6 months plan. There's no scam. This is not a scam. Okay, it's very good website, and my experience with this BLW is 1.5 year plus, and I'm following their signals really very good and very accurate. So if you want to go and see, the link is in the description. So yeah, as well, please subscribe and support me. And I'm a beginner trader. I'm actually trading slowly with his strategies and my strategies, and slowly improving my trading accounts from now actually. So yeah, go and check it out, and see you in the next video. Bye.